We'll guide you through how to download and install WhatsApp on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having WhatsApp on your laptop or PC is really convenient, as you can send and receive messages and make calls. So let's go and get started with this. What we can do is go and open up the store on our computer. Come to the bottom and press search, and you can type in Microsoft Store, and we can then go and open it up. What we can do is go to the top, and we can go and type in WhatsApp just like so. And here it is here. We can then go and click on it. And what you can do is go and press the install button to the left like so. Now go and wait for it to go and download. It'll go and install as well. When it's finished, we can then go and press open. What we'll need to do is go and set it up. Go and press get started. Now we need to link it. It will guide you through the steps here, but on an iPhone, press settings in the bottom right, then link devices. On an Android, press the three dots in the top right and then link devices. What I'm going to do is go and scan that now. It will then go and download the recent messages, and here we are. We've now successfully got it and we can start using it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.